Did you know clove oil was once worth its weight in gold during the spice trade? Beyond flavoring food, it was prized for its powerful medicinal properties, especially for numbing pain and fighting infections. Let's explore why this ancient remedy still belongs in your modern wellness kit. Welcome to our series, Drops of Wellness, the power of essential oils. Today's spotlight is on clove oil, a spicy, aromatic oil extracted from clove buds that's loaded with benefits for your body and mind. Whether you're dealing with oral health issues, skin concerns, or just need a natural immune boost, clove oil has something to offer. Every day, people battle common issues like toothaches, sore muscles, acne, and seasonal colds. Many turn to quick pharmaceutical fixes that can have unwanted side effects or offer only temporary relief. That's why more people are seeking natural, holistic options. That's where clove oil comes in. It addresses several everyday problems with minimal fuss and maximum potency. The most abundant compound in clove essential oil is eugenol. Eugenol acts as an anesthetic, antibacterial agent, anti-inflammatory agent, and an antifungal. These powerful properties are what make clove oil such a versatile remedy, able to relieve pain, fight off harmful microbes, reduce inflammation, and support overall wellness, all from a single natural source. Here are some practical ways you can use clove oil in your everyday routine to support your health and well-being. As an antibacterial agent, add a few drops to your DIY cleaning spray to naturally disinfect surfaces. Clove oil has been shown in studies to fight bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. For skin issues, struggling with acne or fungal infections, dilute clove oil with a carrier oil and apply directly to problem areas to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. Support respiratory health. Clove oil's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help clear the respiratory tract and ease breathing during colds, congestion, or seasonal allergies. Add 3 to 5 drops of clove oil to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam deeply for a few minutes. You can also diffuse clove oil in your space to help purify the air and open up your sinuses. For muscle and joint pain, combine a few drops with a carrier oil and massage into sore areas. It increases circulation and reduces inflammation, making it ideal for post-workout recovery or arthritis relief. Improves digestion. Clove oil may help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. You can dilute 1 drop in a carrier oil and rub it on your abdomen in a clockwise motion. Diffusing clove oil or inhaling its aroma may help with nausea and general digestive discomfort. Boosts mental performance. Struggling with concentration or brain fog? Clove oil's stimulating properties can enhance alertness and mental clarity. Diffuse it in your workspace or place a diluted drop on your temples, avoiding the eyes, for a quick focus boost during study or work sessions. For toothaches and gum pain, clove oil can provide temporary relief from tooth pain in adults thanks to its natural numbing and antibacterial properties. A 2012 study published in the Journal of Dentistry found that clove oil was just as effective as benzocaine gel, a common numbing agent, at reducing pain from needle pricks in dental procedures. Mix a drop of clove oil with a teaspoon of carrier oil, like coconut oil, and dab it on the sore spot using a cotton swab. If you're experiencing ongoing discomfort, it's important to see your dentist to address the underlying cause. It's also important to be aware that clove oil as a pain reliever can be harmful and potentially toxic to children, especially babies. While clove oil is incredibly useful and powerful, it's not for everyone. Here are a few precautions to keep in mind. Skin sensitivity. Clove oil is highly concentrated and can cause irritation or burns if applied directly to the skin. Always dilute it with a carrier oil and do a patch test before widespread use. Children and infants. Clove oil is not recommended for use on or around children under 2 years old due to the risk of skin irritation and respiratory sensitivity. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult a healthcare provider before using clove oil, as its strong compounds may not be safe during this time. Blood disorders and surgery. Clove oil can slow blood clotting because of its eugenol content. People with bleeding disorders or those scheduled for surgery should avoid using it at least 2 weeks beforehand. Medication interactions. If you're taking blood thinners or medications for liver conditions, talk to your doctor before using clove oil. Not safe for pets. Clove oil is toxic to pets, especially cats and dogs. Avoid using clove oil on pets, near their bedding, or in diffusers in spaces they can't leave. Even small amounts of clove oil can cause vomiting, drooling, liver issues, or worse. Ingestion warning. Ingesting it is generally not recommended due to the potential risks associated with eugenol toxicity. It's best to use clove oil topically after proper dilution or aromatically. Ingesting clove oil is particularly dangerous for children, even in small amounts, due to their smaller body size and potential for severe side effects like liver damage and seizures. When used safely and thoughtfully, clove oil is a powerful addition to any natural wellness routine. From easing toothaches and muscle soreness to supporting respiratory health, improving digestion, and purifying your environment, its wide range of benefits makes it one of the most versatile essential oils available. With its strong therapeutic properties and rich history of use, clove oil continues to prove that nature truly provides some of the best remedies. Have you ever used clove oil in your wellness routine? Share your favorite tips in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.